UFO seen monitoring ISS as NASA cuts slipstream, Shaw claimed. A huge UFO was seen hovering near the International Space Station, ISS, forcing NASA to cut the live feed, some alien hunters have claimed. During a routine maneuver of a mini-shuttle on the exterior of the ISS which was being live-streamed to the world, a strange light appeared in the distance. The light gradually got closer, before the live stream of the orbiting laboratory went offline. This has led some to believe NASA is purposefully cutting the live feed to hide the evidence that aliens have been visiting Earth. Prominent UFO hunter Scott C. Waring was the first to spot the alleged alien spaceship, saying it was using a cloaking device to monitor the ISS in secret. Mr. Waring wrote on his blog UFO Sightings Daily, "I was looking at the live internet NASA cams when I caught an object near the space station. I first caught a small object, which is the same UFO, just further away and a few hours earlier. Then I caught the same UFO closer up. This time it was about 30-50 meters away from the space station. It was huge. The UFO was partially cloaked but was revealed by sunlight bouncing off of it. Strangely enough, the shape came more into focus later in the video, and what I thought to be a thick round cylinder turns out to be something way more complex looking." Now do you see why NASA deliberately causes distortions during the live cam? It's so the public will stay in the dark, but as you see, things are lighting up. Scientists who have worked for NASA in the past have a much simpler explanation for all of the bizarre UFO sightings around the ISS being reported. According to former NASA engineer James Oberg, most UFO sightings are nothing more than space dandruff floating in front of cameras. These specks of dandruff can be anything from bits of chip paint drifting aimlessly in zero gravity, flakes of ice or ISS insulation that has broken off. He said, "I've had enough experience with real spaceflight to realize that what's being seen in many videos is nothing beyond the norm from fully mundane phenomena occurring in unearthly settings." Mr. Oberg argued the human brain is not wired to make sense of these tiny objects floating above Earth.